Hi guys, this is Heather and Heather and we're going to do another vlog today going out shooting with the Olympus E-M10 IV. It's not too far different from the Mark III, but because it's a newer model camera, I'm going to do a walkthrough of it. I'm also going to use it for today's vlog, of course, and then use it for the walkthrough of how to use the Olympus app for your phone. So it's going to be kind of like a 3-part video all in one day. So that kind of relieves a lot of stress from me a little bit. Today we're going to go to a wildlife conservation center to see what animals we can find, maybe do some portrait work. We're wearing matching shirts. Thank you to Heather, because one of our favorite movies is a Goofy movie and we jam out to that soundtrack like every time we're together.
Pretty much.
So yeah, so we're going with the matching shirts today, which I love. Yeah, we're gonna bring you along with us. So here we are at the Wildlife Conservation Center, and hopefully we'll be able to get some interesting wildlife. I don't know about wildlife, like some people think wildlife and it's like lions and tigers and bears, oh my, but maybe we'll get a goose. Either way, hopefully we can demonstrate what the Olympus EM10 IV can do. Instead of shooting with the kit lens, which I did in the Mark III video, which just has the, I believe it's the 14-42 lens, I decided that I'm going to try out the Olympus 75-300 lens, which that lens on this camera is actually going to be a, let's see, 125-600 millimeter lens. So perfect for if we do happen to spot any wildlife going on. So wish us luck and hopefully we get some good shots. Where'd you see squirrels at? Look at the birds. Can't really see them because it's wide. Look at the ground squirrels. They're so cute. I wonder if I can reach them from here. No, not from the, not with the 600 millimeter lens?
I was joking.
Oh. Yeah.
I meant like this.
No, I can't reach them from here.
No.
So this is the 75-300 millimeter lens. This goes out to 600 millimeters, and that's it. On a Canon or a Nikon, whether it be crop sensor or full frame, you're looking at twice the size at something like that to get 600 millimeters, which is pretty impressive. Where should we go?
Straight.
According to that sign there, we can go straight to Wetland Loop,
Let's do it.
or down this really brazen road here. Is that a squirrel? That's a squirrel, right? That's a squirrel that I'm looking at right there.
Hello, little one.
I have to back up substantially far from you in order to take a picture of what you're doing. All those birds flying. It'd be nice if they landed so we could take pictures.
Yeah.
They're just so fast. You can tell we're not expert bird photographers because that's too fast. Should we do a selfie? This seems like a good spot for a selfie. It's very pretty here. Do it with your phone though.
There's a lot out here. Okay, first things first. Hold up for a second.
I got two cameras. I got two cameras. I got two cameras. Hey, 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 hey.
Now, where's your strap?
I don't have a strap.
Move
Oh,
your
that strap.
I don't have a strap. Shut up.
See how mean she is to me. I love her anyway.
Yeah.
Woo, hee, hoo, hee, hoo. This is just episode 2 of Heather making animal sounds. Hee-hoo, hee-hoo.
Tweet, tweet.
Too long of a lens. I will stitch them together later. Brush rabbit straight. So you don't want to brush the rabbit curvy. You want to brush the rabbit straight.
You also don't want
Or-
to brush it too happy.
What does that one say? Defermery? Can't remember. I can't see. I don't know. According to all of these different paths, they all have things to do with the rabbit. But that one's the only one that has the sign that says they're redoing the habitat for the rabbits. Then we will go this way. We're gonna go on brush rabbit straight. Hey, it's waving at me. It's saying hi. It's trying to strengthen its limbs by waving over and over again. Scaredy birds. My bangs, but quit getting in my eyes. Maybe I could actually look to see if birds are in these dang trees. My bangs keep getting in my eyes. Yeah, they do. The birds are laughing at us.
They are.
Did you hear that? They're trying to take pictures of us. It's funny how mistletoe is like green and it makes it look alive, but that's the thing that's killing the tree.
Yup.
It is nature's vampire. I feel I'm gonna look back at the footage right now, later. And the sun's hitting me directly. It's just gonna be this big white glare in the camera. Because of the face. That is definitely a rotten tree. It is gnarly looking. I kind of want to take a picture of it.
Do it.
I shall. A butterfly. I don't know how close I can get to it, but I'm gonna try. The bunnies. When we were headed back to the car, we found a family of bunnies with the mom, the dad, and the babies. So hopefully we can get some pictures. I was almost going to be discouraged there that we weren't going to take pictures of anything, and we actually got a bushel of bunnies. I think that's actually the correct term. It's a bushel of bunnies. Thank you guys for joining us on our nature walk at our local wildlife preserve and joining us in the excitement of being able to take some pictures of some bunnies, since the birds were not very nice to us today. Rude. I'm gonna leave a Yelp review. The birds here, rude. The bunnies, however, made our trip. So, 4 stars. Well, thanks guys. See you on the next vlog. Bye. Say bye, Heather.
Bye.